my layout shows a number of preset layouts. In this case, I'm using a 4-split with a blue background. But there's a 4-split with an orange background, a layout with a full screen, as I said at the beginning, whereby I don't have these split up, but I have a full screen. Okay. I also have a layout with a ticker as well. I'm going to make an assumption that we're going to use a 4-screen setup. In my demonstrations, I like to be able to show customers that, hey, you can just change the one side, or just change the ticker. It's easier to demonstrate. So, I'm going to go into Edit a Playlist, as I said. I am going to start by making a change on the sidebar. And in the sidebar now, I have a clock, I have an article and an image, and I have a menu item. I am going to look at that small article and image item. Double-clicking it opens up its editing window. Clicking on the data section of the software shows me what data I can change. And what I can do in this case is I can take this photograph of this handsome devil out and replace it with something else. Let me see. Let me replace it with that. Here's where I can change my text. And I'll change that from Dacro Industries to Acme. And I'll change that to Acme. Then I can look at the color of text, and I can change that if I want to. I'll click Save. I'll click Save again. Then I want to say, okay, publish my changes. I'm happy with the way that looks, so I'm going to publish the change to my Inspired Signage player. Yes, I'm sure. And what will happen is you will see my picture replaced by the AMX logo. There's the logo. I've changed it to Acme, and I've changed Acme here. Now, I have the capability of changing the main area, the sidebar, the lower area, and the ticker. In the university application, and I know in Canada there's a great deal of discussion as to how to deal with lockdown situations. We have added a feature to this product that allows us to override digital signage and place in an emergency notification. And what I will do is show you where that's done. In again, Edit a Playlist. There is an override application. I'll double click it. And I've got a few little emergency templates in here. I'm just going to drag in the fire alarm. I'm going to click Save. You'll find that when I publish this, the override is instantaneous.
Get the heck out.
I can change that fire alarm notice at the bottom. And I'll go Edit a Playlist again under Override, double clicking on the fire alarm and write, please proceed to the nearest exit. I can't spell, but that's okay. Nearest exit. Please proceed to the nearest exit. And again, that would be something that I would save and not change at all, but just to give you an idea how simple it is to make changes to the system. change is made. Necessarily have to be used for an emergency. Your override could be welcome, Prime Minister of Canada. Welcome George Gret. Could be put up instantaneously and then taken down when he leaves the building.